Do you know that the human heart is just about the size of a fist, but it beats about 100,000 times and pumps about 7,000 liters of blood on a daily basis? This blood is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell, tissue, and organ in the body. So, your heart is called the engine room of your body because it supplies this life-sustaining fluid throughout the body. And that's why you need to keep your heart healthy. So, in this video, we'll be talking about common foods that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. Welcome once again to Nutritna. We bring you the latest and scientifically accurate news, tips, and tricks on how you can attain and maintain good health with the foods you eat. Kindly click subscribe now so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Fatty fishes. Fishes that contain a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids have relatively low amounts of unhealthy fats, which makes them good foods that reduce the risk of heart diseases and support the ability of the heart to supply blood to different parts of the body easily. Several fishes fall into this category, but some of the most common ones are salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tilapia. Eating these fishes regularly has also been shown to prevent greater damage to the heart of people who already have heart diseases. So, just as it's beneficial to those hoping to prevent heart diseases, it's equally beneficial to those who've been diagnosed with a heart disease. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic improves the health of the heart in several ways. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of garlic has been shown to help reduce blood pressure levels and lower bad cholesterol levels, thereby preventing and correcting heart diseases. Garlic can be consumed by eating it raw or adding it to foods. But when cooking with garlic, ensure you avoid cooking mistakes that can prevent you from enjoying its many health benefits. To know what those cooking mistakes are and how to avoid them, watch our video on 3 mistakes to avoid when cooking with garlic using the link above or find the link in the description below. Number 3. Whole grains. Grains are edible dry seeds that come from plants that resemble grasses. These plants are known as cereals and they include rice plants, maize plants, wheat plants, millet plants, and others. Whole grains are a category of grains that have been minimally processed so as to retain the natural nutrient content. They differ from refined grains which have been highly processed, thereby removing most of their nutrients and fiber content. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants which help lower cholesterol levels and improve the health of the heart. Examples of whole grain foods include brown rice, whole wheat, corn, whole grain bread, and oatmeal. Number 4. Leafy vegetables. Leafy greens are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals and have been shown to improve heart health. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet regularly helps you achieve a healthier and more balanced diet. Leafy greens can be prepared and consumed as a delicious soup, and they could also be added into your salads, smoothies, or sliced into dishes. Common examples of leafy vegetables are spinach, kale, fluted pumpkin leaves, known as ugu in Nigeria, and several others. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts like almond, walnuts, cashews, and groundnuts are high in healthy unsaturated fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients can help improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Nuts are considered healthy snacks and should be consumed as an alternative to unhealthy ones. However, because most of these nuts are high in calories and sometimes they also have high amounts of added salt, they should be consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a good source of nutrients such as vitamin C, fiber, potassium, folate, and phytochemicals. These nutrients have been found to support the overall health of the heart. Examples are oranges, lemon, and limes. But you should note, consuming these fruits in their whole form provides more fiber than when they are consumed as juice. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants and have been shown to improve heart health. Although canned and preserved tomatoes can be a convenient way to include tomatoes into your diet, eating and cooking with raw and freshly prepared tomatoes is a better way to enjoy its health benefits. Other foods that provide essential nutrients for promoting good heart health are avocado, olive oil, and dark chocolate. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're giving your heart the right fuel it needs to function at its best. But remember, the foods we've mentioned here are not the only good foods for your heart. Rather, the key to a healthy heart and a healthy body in general is to include as much healthy foods as part of a balanced diet while practicing moderation. So, do you know any other foods that benefit the heart? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Kindly drop a like for us so we'll be motivated to do more. Also, kindly subscribe now to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. And watch any of the 2 videos here to learn more about how the foods you eat can help you become healthier.